Guys, today we'll talk about how can you enable mirror mode on your Meitu app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, just go down here, click here on me down here. We just click here on me, it's going to take you to next here. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do, so you just click on general here. When you just click on general, it's going to take you to next step. It's going to show for you like this. So then all you have to do now, just click here on settings. When just click on settings, it's going to take you to next step here. Then you come here to mirror mode. Just click in this sign. Then like you see this color show for us. That's mean here mirror mode enable with us now. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.